Hello everyone! Today is going to be a pack with me. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be bringing to Vegas. Now that I'm looking at the clothes that I'm taking to Vegas, it looks like everything is just black. Black, gray, or I do have a little bit of beige. So starting with outfit number 1, I'm going to be taking the black shirt that you guys saw me try on in my last vlog. This is the shirt. I'm going to be pairing that shirt with some dark washed denim, and then these are skinny jeans. And then I did pick the skinny jeans because I'm going to be wearing this whole little outfit with these chunky boots. I am obsessed with these boots. You got the cutout on these are amazing. I love the chunky sole, the chunky heel, and I love the square toe. These are literally like the best platform boots I've ever found. So I'm excited to be wearing these. And then, okay, so I'm thinking these for the airport and, you know, just like walking around before we go to the little concert that we're going on Thursday night, I believe. And then with the same outfit, if I wanted to change the shoes for if we go to the concert, I was thinking these. Oh my god, they're in the right place. I was thinking these shoes because they have like more of a sparkle to them, you know, they're like a little bit fancier. So I don't know if I'm going to be wearing the boots to the concert as well, or if I'm just going to switch it up, just kind of give it like a little bit more bling to the whole fit, since the fit is a little bit more like casual chic. Also, my mom literally got me this faux leather freaking jacket. It is huge, well, coat, because it is long as heck. My mom literally knows exactly what I freaking like, and this is going to be going over that first outfit. I feel like it's gonna look bomb, okay? This jacket looks amazing, and I think it's gonna tie the whole outfit together, especially with those leather black boots. Are you kidding me? We're going along with Friday's outfit. I know we're going to be going ATV riding. I had no idea what that was until I looked it up. So I'm going to be taking my Effortless Deep Taupe gym set, just because it's more like a sporty event that's going to be going on between 12 and 4, I believe. I don't know why I'm giving like literally all the details, but we're going to be doing that. And then I'm deciding whether I should take this white like sports top, because it is like warmer inside, it's really soft, or if I should just go all monochrome and then take this gray hoodie. It's a cropped hoodie, so I feel like that's gonna look bomb. Yeah, because the Effortless leggings just makes your whole bootylicious. Okay, it looks amazing. So I think I'm gonna be taking these. Then I might take the white one just in case I want to switch it. I don't know, but we'll take it just in case. And then for dinner on Friday, I'm going to be taking the sparkly black dress that I got from H&M. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like a shimmery. It has that sparkle. So and then the neckline is not like too crew neck, and it's not elongated. I don't even know if that's a word, but it's like a perfect neckline, if you know what I mean. So and then it does have like it's not a scooped back, but it's like a half open back. So I think that's gonna look super cute. And I'm gonna be, maybe I will do like a bun style just to show the design of the dress on the back. And then with this dress, I still haven't found any shoes, so I'm struggling with that. I might pair them with these, but I don't know if they go. So I'm like thinking about it. So I don't know if I should pair them with these heels, or if I should just go into my mom's closet and go shoe shopping in her closet, because she has a bunch of heels. So if I find one in her closet, then I might borrow them for just the trip. And then if I don't find anything, literally anything, I'm just gonna go with these. And I feel like it's not bad, but you know, I feel like I could find a better pair. For the last outfit on Saturday, the cropped cream hoodie, not hoodie, sweater, like chunky knit sweater. I'm gonna be taking this one, and I'm gonna be pairing it with some tights and the black leather skirt that I got from Marshalls. I feel like that's gonna look super cute. And then to tie it all together, I'm going to be wearing, you guessed it, the black leather boots as well as the black leather coat. I don't know about you, but in my head that looks amazing. Okay, so I have to fit all of that in this tiny little carry-on. This is my mom's carry-on. I think it probably will fit all of it. For purses, I think I'm only going to take one standard like black purse, and that's the one that you guys saw me pack. I feel like that one will probably go with all of the outfits, and if I don't use it, I probably won't be using any other bag. Kind of like the one for dinner. I don't think I'll be taking a bag for that. It's just going to be outfit, shoes, accessories, that's it. But for the outfit on Saturday, I think I am going to be wearing that just in case we go shopping, walking around. I don't know what we'll be doing on Saturday, so I'm just going to take it just in case I need it. But otherwise, I don't think I need a bag, so one's enough. And then you guys saw me pack that little pouch. That is where my underclothing is going. Before I forget, I am going to be packing my pajama set. I can't go to sleep without a pajama set anymore, so it's just the vibe, okay? And this red one is super comfortable and super adorable, so I feel like it's going to be perfect. Moving on to what I'll be taking for my skincare, makeup, and hair care. For my makeup, I'm going to be using this standard tiny little travel bag. I can't find the one that I usually use, which is my Calvin Klein. It has a bunch of like flowers and butterflies. It's super adorable, but I can't find it. I don't know where I left it, so we're just gonna go with this one. And let me show you guys what I'm gonna be taking for my makeup. I'm gonna take my primer. This is the one that makes my face look amazing and dewy, makes everything look so good. I'm going to be taking the Fenty, I think this one's like the medium, yeah, the Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna be taking that one. I also use this Fenty Beauty. It's the soft matte longwear, but I use this as basically like concealer around my eyebrows, and yeah, it works great. So I'm gonna be taking that as well. And I'm just gonna be throwing it into the little bag right here. I don't know if I can take that big one actually. Yeah, it's fine. I'm gonna be throwing them in here, kind of like put them all together, and then just leave the bag out, and then just put the bag into the suitcase on Thursday once I'm like ready to leave. I'm also going to be taking my Marc Jacobs bronzer, my Laura Mercier setting powder, and then also the Laura Mercier blush. This is the color Sangria. Amazing blush. For the lip combos, I think I'm only going with two. I'm going to be taking, obviously you guessed it, my go-to lip combo. It is the Cork MAC lip liner, the Becca, what color is this, Dune lipstick, and then that's just kind of like to brighten up the inside. And obviously I'm gonna be topping all of that with the Hot Cherry Fenty gloss. For the second lip combo, I'm going to be taking the MAC lip liner in the color Cherry, and then I'm going to be topping that off with the YSL red lipstick. Gorgeous shade. I'm also going to be throwing in my Dior lipstick. It's in this shade 300 Nude Style Velvet. This one's kind of like, this one has become my literally go-to lipstick this whole week, and I feel like it's just like, it matches my lip color so well. It makes them look so nice. So I'm just gonna throw it in there just in case. And then for eyes, I'm just gonna do like mascara and then curl my lashes, because I'm not gonna do any crazy eyeshadow. Like, I'm just not gonna do it. And then also because I'm gonna be wearing mainly like my lip colors are gonna be kind of like the statements. I feel like I just know I'm not going to do any eyeshadow, so there's no point in taking it. And then I'm gonna be taking this Smashbox setting spray just because it is in like a tiny bottle, so I don't have to fill up my bigger setting sprays into like a travel size. This one's just perfect travel size, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one. And then for the brushes, I'm just going to take this little brush set that my sister got for me last Christmas. Literally, I just put all the little brushes that I use in my everyday makeup, and then I'm taking this mascara that she also got me. So it's so convenient that it already comes in this tiny little pouch, so thank you, Damaris. Moving on to skincare, I was going to try to take my cleanser in like a travel size thing, but then I remember I got this Tatcha, what is it? It's the rice wash. It's a soft cream cleanser. Since it already comes in a like tiny little bottle, I feel like I'm just gonna take this because we're not going for like that many days. It's only gonna be 3 days, so I feel like this would be the perfect cleanser just to take. So I'm gonna be taking that one along with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This would be my moisturizer basically, but this one's already running out. As you can tell, it only has like a little bit left. I also have to find another container to put the serum that I use literally every day and night. Lastly, it's going to be the sunscreen. I think this one's already running out, but I don't think it's 4 fluid ounces. I don't think they're gonna pass it, so I need to find a container where I can put my sunscreen. And then last thing, this is my night routine. I only add this at night. It is the Mederma Advanced Scar Gel, and I only put in like my little acne scars that I have. Use this at night, really great stuff. And then I'm taking the Gua Sha stone, so I can just do that in the mornings. I'm trying to keep up with it, but I'm not that great at it. I'm also taking my deodorant by The Humankind, best deodorant ever. Moving on to hair care, this is literally the easiest thing for me. I already have travel size in these, so I'm taking it's a 10. What is it? It's a leave-in spray? Yeah. It's a Miracle Silk leave-in conditioner, so I'm going to be taking that. How cute is this tiny little bottle? And then I'm also going to be taking the Moroccan oil and the travel size. I have the big size, but I just refilled a tiny bottle. I love tiny bottles, so I kept it. So I just refilled it, and these are my only 2 little hair care items. I am going to be taking my strainer just in case I want to be curling my hair. I curl my hair with the strainer. I just like go like that and they just pull all the way down, and that's how I curl my hair. I'm also going to be taking this shoe travel bag just for when I do wear the heels. They're going to be dirty and I don't want them to be messing up my clothing. So I'm going to be taking this bag just for when I'm done using the shoes. I can put it in here and then pack it all in. For my jewelry, I'm going to be using this beige jewelry box. It has some gold glitter on it, and then when you open her up, you can put rings, necklaces, or longer earrings. And then we do have another like dainty necklace holder there, and then these are for stud earrings. I think since I'm only going for like 2-3 days, I'm going to be taking this like fake Chanel. It is a fake Chanel necklace, but it's very dainty, so I think that would look really nice with some of the more casual wear. I'm going to be taking obviously my Oma the Label earrings, so since I'm wearing them right now, I'm just gonna keep them, but I will be taking these, as well as my Dior. This is a vintage Dior necklace, so I will be taking this one as well. And then for dinner, I think for the sparkly dress, since it does have more of like a silver sparkle to it, I'm going to be taking my the silver, what is it, bracelet? I was thinking of pairing these silver bracelet and ring, so I think I'm going to be taking those, as well as just a silver ring for the casual outfits. And then I'm going to be taking, for the second option, this little Jaguar with green eyes. It's also silver, just to have some options for if I want to wear silver jewelry. And lastly, I don't know if I'm going to be using these, but I'm just going to take them just in case. They are these sparkly gold earrings, and they're very long. They're super flattering on. Alright guys, so that was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously, I still have to pack, like toiletries and a towel probably. I don't know if I'm comfortable using hotel towels. I don't know. But I am going to be packing that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!